I love a good adventure, but it rarely goes off without a hitch, especially if you're trying to motovlog it. Such was the case with this trip to sunny Florida. I accidentally forgot the chin curtain to my helmet at home, and that's where I've been attaching my microphone for the super clear audio that I've been getting on motovlogs lately. I put the mic in my cheek pad this time, and that did not work at all with my new setup. There was just way too much harsh wind noise because the microphone is a lot more sensitive.
And this bike is powerful, and I've throttled it back to B mode while I get used to it.
Of course, I didn't find this out until I went into editing with all the footage. Life is a constant series of trial and error and pivoting, so here we are with a delightful voiceover. I hope you're enjoying it so far. What did go right is this motorcycle rental through Twisted Road. Dan and I were fortunate enough to get 2 bikes to rip around the Fort Myers area, and we took those bikes on a day trip out to Sarasota that actually went into the evening hours as we rode past pitch black. If you want to book a motorcycle of your own the next time you travel, you can use my code STARK, S-T-A-R-K, when you make your account or when you do your first booking. You'll either get a free day if you book 3 or more, or you'll get 25% off your 2-day or less booking. I've been using Twisted Road for years now, both in partnership and independently, and it's been awesome. If you've never heard of them before, they're like the Airbnb of motorcycles. You can browse all sorts of different bikes for rent by owner in just about any place imaginable. It's reliable, safe, and really opens up a whole world of travel opportunities. I can't help but take a look pretty much anytime I'm planning a trip or imagining a trip, which is more likely these days, and seeing what kind of motorcycles are available for rent over there. So now let's get this show on the road. I had to pitch my opening remarks, but there's still a really fun vlog ahead. We started our journey in Fort Myers, and we rode out to the Ringling Museum of Art in Sarasota.
Okay, say hi to everybody. Hi, everybody. Oh. So this bike is very similar to Dan's bike, the MT09, and it's quite similar to the bike that I rented in Arizona back in February. That is the FZ07, the earlier versions of the MT series. So I'm accustomed to handling, but not the sheer power. Time for smoothies. Smoothies. Oh yeah, hold on. Now's a good time to kind of go over the bikes. XS900. I think he said it was a 2018. And then do you know what year this Triumph Tiger is? 2018? 2 2018s? Good looking bikes. Good looking bikes. But yeah, after we hit the road for a little while, and we'll have to talk about how they feel. This was very difficult to articulate. That's the only thing I can think of so far. Not very noteworthy though. All right, let's get smoothies. Perfect. Whoop!
We made it.
Gorgeous. This kind of reminded me of Savannah, Georgia. In a way. This eagle's on fire. I don't know if that's...
It is.
I'll fart around. Inside. How did you like the Tiger so far?
It's very nice.
Comfy, right? Is it comfy?
It's very comfy. The wind, it blocked all the wind for me on the freeway. So.
Sport or die. That's the man. That's what he's all about.
Yeah.
It's bamboo. I wonder if they have like a Japanese garden section. And you shouldn't touch them because weird bugs live in them. Oh, look at all these little nooks and crannies. And wow, this is honestly a pretty nice day.
Yeah. I don't think we can ask for a better day.
Yeah, in the shade, it's really not hot at all.
It's indoors.
Indoors. No, I'm just gonna blur. I'm gonna blur everyone's coffee from now on. He left his pants at home. He left his pants at home.
Yeah. Nice. Close. There it is. Close enough.
Best courtyard for bottles. Saying.
I couldn't even imagine living here.
I know, it's like $2,000. You start to like not even notice, maybe. It's probably to protect the artwork and stuff. Yeah, it's probably a very nice view. Did you see this hidden door? Sneaky doors.
That's what I was saying about that one there.
Oh, that one, yeah.
The doorknob's just off it. Just on it, obviously. But sun's out, buns out.
I love them.
Yeah, that was fun. Thanks so much for watching this Florida adventure. I had a blast going on it, and I even had a blast editing it too. Don't forget, you should definitely sign up for Twisted Road using my code STARK. It doesn't matter if you throw it in on your first checkout or when you create your account, you can secure that discount and ride the world, man. I think it's such a great service for being able to test out bikes that you're interested in or bikes that you might want to purchase yourself. I've been able to rent, Yamahas, Triumphs, Harleys and stuff. And I especially like to use them for when I'm going on something that requires luggage and I can't be bothered to outfit my own bike with saddlebags and the like. So I love being able to book a Harley bagger or something like that and take that on my grand adventure instead of doing it with my bike. So it's even an option for you if you're not going anywhere, which a lot of us are not these days. And you can have your own staycation and shake things up a little bit with a bike. If you're between bikes, great option to go on a little adventure. And, last time I did a video with Twisted Road, that's exactly what Dan and I did. He was unfortunately between bikes outside of his own control, and we had a grand old day trip out to Port Washington. So if you like this video, you should definitely check out that one as well. And if you like this video, you should like it, and you should subscribe to my channel and share this around and spread the good word. I love making educational, entertaining, wholesome content online, and I'm actually very close to 15K subscribers by the time this goes up. I'm likely to have hit that or just gotten so darn close. And I wanted to thank you guys for tuning in. I usually don't celebrate milestone things like this because the growth of the channel is kind of outside of my control. All I can control is, of course, the quality and my commitment to it and all those technical things about running the channel. But I love to see how it's grown over time and how people have connected with things, and I hope to continue making more analytical, introspective, and of course continue to make meaningful and useful content. If you're down for that, you should subscribe, and you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is @StarkNaked, and then I also have a company Instagram, Great Lakes Supply Co., and I also have a company website, www.greatlakesupplyco.com, and you should check out that website because I sell simple motorcycle-inspired designs that I made myself. There's apparel, there's fun bits and bobs, there's patches, stickers, and I recently got into coffee, and I've been absolutely loving hearing how you guys like the coffee. I drink it myself every day. It's sourced from Guatemala, it's ethical, it's small batch, it's awesome. So you should try it for yourself if you're curious, and it even comes in a smaller sample size now. Thank you so much for following me along in this grand internet journey, and until next time, ride safe. And it means that I'm doing a good job making my videos, and I just made a sale.